I know many of you have questions about things like, for example, why do we have to wear masks on campus even when we're outdoors? I think it's really important for everyone to know that it's critical to wear masks at all times on our campus, even when outside, because a campus like ours is very dense. And while you may be able to have 6 feet of physical distance between you as you're beginning to walk across campus, there may be times when it gets crowded and you can't maintain that distance. So mask wearing is really important, no matter where you are, no matter what time of day it is, because there may be times when you aren't able to keep 6 feet of distance between you and other people on the campus. We also know that social distancing and mask wearing are the 2 most effective ways that we can prevent the spread of the coronavirus, and that if everyone on campus is wearing a mask, we can reduce the transmission of the virus upwards of 80 to 90%. So it's really critical to have that mask with you at all times and to wear it at all times, whether in class, whether walking across campus, or anywhere else outside of your private residence hall room.